Hello and welcome to Nexudus Tutorials. As we're launching version 3 of the admin panel, we wanted to highlight some of the changes and improvements to help you navigate the new platform. We've kept most of the existing elements of the previous panel and added a few more to simplify how you manage your space on a daily basis. The Quick Action menu still lets you add new customers, teams, bookings, invoices, tasks, and products. You can also quickly find the relevant record using our improved search bar. The Settings section moved from the bottom of the navigation menu to the cog icon for quick and easy access. We also made it easier for you to get the hang of the platform and find all the help you need in one spot. In the top right corner of the dashboard, you'll find a new set of icons. The boy icon lets you access all the support and training Nexudus offers. This includes our knowledge base, that's been updated to help you make the most of the platform. Nexudus Academy, to follow courses and train your team. One-to-one training calls with our support experts to cover specific topics, and of course standard email support. The globe icon opens your members portal homepage in another browser tab, while the megaphone icon gives you access to the latest updates we release for the admin panel. All the important messages related to your Nexudus subscription, such as trial or payment updates, are available under the bell icon. You can also access your own admin account by clicking on the last icon and then your name to change details such as your password, enable two-factor authentication, or even manage the notifications you receive as an admin. Lastly, we've also improved the panel's display to let you manage your space on the go. You can now undock the navigation menu to have more space on smaller devices. The display is also optimized on tablets and smartphones to let you use the platform wherever you are. Check out the next videos to learn more about the latest version of the admin panel.